Hello, hello, my lovely people. Come spend the day with me as I am trying to get my house in order. I came across this chicken at Harrison Teeter's. Y'all see how much I paid for that? $2.88 for this family pack of chicken at Harrison Teeter's. Man, that's my new plug. Now, this wasn't the one near me, but hey, it is what it is. I got this whole pack of pork chops for $5. Y'all see that coupon on there? Yes, and I ended up cooking them on the grill the other day, and they was so fine. Look at me here. Like, oh, pork chops today, pork chops today. Look at her eyes. She's so excited. She loves the camera, y'all. She's not camera shy. This is some more other things that I got at Harrison Teeter's. Buy one, get one free. Very, very good deal. This cereal, I had a, what's the name of that app? I can't even think of the name of the app, but anyway, you get coupons. Fetch Rewards. Yes, I had coupon on Fetch Rewards. If you buy 2 or 3 of this brand cereal, you get $7 back. So that worked out. Plus, he was already buy one get one free. So it really, really worked out to try to learn how to shop this way. So yeah, that's money back. That's my daughter cleaning up. That was her chore today, to vacuum in the house. Y'all have any teenagers helping out around the house? We shouldn't be out here working and doing everything, and they just sitting at home, enjoying the fruits of our labor. Like, for real, they got to learn to do this stuff. So this is just like, you know what I'm saying, getting them prepared for the real world. And yeah, my pantry is full, but some of that stuff can be thrown out, y'all, for real. Don't judge. But yeah, this is my refrigerator. Some of the stuff in there, that soda I got from the $1.25 store. Them sodas, don't sleep on them sodas. Them sodas good. If y'all already knew about them, why y'all ain't tell me about them? Anyway, I'm getting ready for my loan closing for the next following day. Just going through the documents, you know what I'm saying, scanning them and everything. Got to send them back to the hiring company and everything. So yeah, I think this is a scan and drop. I think that's what this one is, but I'm not quite sure. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. This is part of being a notary. Just, get some companies want you to scan the documents back, make sure everything looks fine, make sure everything is signed, and make sure you stamp where you need to stamp as a notary, and then everything is good. You know what I'm saying? That's just part of the game. This is how this works as a notary. So I'm just showing y'all how my scanning process looks. A lot of people complain about scanning, but it is what it is, y'all. I scan. I'm getting paid for it as part of the job. You know what I'm saying? So hey, hope y'all having a fantastic